Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Well, here's Brooklyn, and guys, today's video is going to be a short one. I want to introduce you to the Pecron 200 watt foldable solar panel. This is a nice panel. It's got kickstands in the back. It's got a nice long solar cable also, which is pretty cool. You might not need to buy another solar cable to connect it to your power station or whatever you're going to connect it to. So why don't we take a moment and check this guy out. Hi, this is Al from techmadeezy with a really quick message. The video you're about to watch is sponsored. We received this product from the vendor. But keep in mind, we will be very honest with you as we review the product. That is very important to us. If you like our video, I sure hope you give us a thumbs up. I hope you share our video. And last, I really hope you subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you. So here it is. It's in its case. This is 200 watts. This sells for $425. And understand, it's not 100 watt, it's 200 watt. So when you're going to get a foldable solar panel in a carrying case, you're going to pay a premium. It's just the way it goes. It's really hard to get a good panel that's foldable and carryable like this guy for real cheap. And from what I've seen so far, the quality's pretty good. Why don't we go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. So let me take this now and just, start from the front. So the handle does seem like it's made very well. It got good stitches. It's got a comfortable angled handle. That's nice. So hopefully that'll last a while. The clips are pretty simple. It's adjustable. You just got to push. It opens up. So that's easy. All right, Velcro seems really strong. I like that. And okay, you've got kickstands. So we're going to see how many kickstands you get, because that's going to be important in stability. But not only stability, the angle. It's all about angle with solar. Now here are some specifications. So 200 watts, cell efficiency is 21%, not bad. The thing you need to keep in mind is your open circuit voltage, which is your VOCs. It's 43.2 volt. So that's on the high side. Short circuit current 5.8 amp. Now, when you're just connecting one solar panel to a power station, you need to be concerned with both of these numbers. When you're connecting in series, your amperage stays the same, but your voltage gets combined. So you got to be careful. Now, when you're connecting in parallel, your voltage stays the same, but your amperage adds up for all your panels. Now we're just going to connect this one to a power station so you could actually see what wattage it generates. Let's move forward and just open this up on the table for now, just so we could see what it looks like. You got 4 panels. You've got holes here for mounting, it looks like, on both ends. So one here, one there, and then you've got one here and one there if you're going to mount it. So that's good to know. As far as kickstands, we do have one on each of the panels. So let's lay this down, let's set it up, let's see what it looks like, and then let's test it and see what type of power it generates. Today's a nice day, we've got a clear sky. Before I set it up, let's take a look at the pouch and see what we got in here. And you know what? They did it right this time. You've got a solar cable and that's it. That's all you need. And this is longer than I normally would find. I find a lot of manufacturers leave you with a little solar cable and then you have to go out and buy an extension solar cable so that your power station is not sitting in the sun if you're using a power station. So I'll check the measurements on this. So I just measured this. They're giving you a 16-foot cable on a solar panel. That is really nice. It's all set up. I angled it the best I could. I'm hoping I got a good angle. And here's what it looks like on the bottom. Look at that. You get 4 kickstands, and these are adjustable. You got these straps and all that, but the bottom line is if you've got it on grass or the ground, you can move these in and out and get that right angle. And that's so important. Let's go ahead and connect this to the power station that we are currently reviewing, by the way, and we'll come out with our review soon. All right. And let's give it a moment and see what kind of wattage we get. Starting to go up. Over 100. $137. Wow. 137 out of a 200 watt panel. Not bad. I will tell you, even in our testing with the power station, we got as high as 143. You'll see that when that review comes out, but 137 watts says it'll take 2.1 hours to charge this because it's at 82%. So it'll take 2.1 hours to charge it with that rate of wattage coming in. So a nice panel. Definitely, 200 watts. We saw 137 in today's test. We saw 143 during our testing of the power station video that's going to come out. So yeah, nice panel, foldable, and seems made very well. And we do like that it comes with a 16-foot solar cable, which means you don't have to go out and buy another solar cable. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.